about 8 foot. Once you come off that hill, 8 foot, and then cut you a trench, but be careful because you got your service lines right there. See where that little pipe sticking out of the wall? That little brown pipe, that's where we want to be. And then that cable's right here. Watch whatever the cable is there. You just have to feed right through here.
Right.
So what we may want to do is come to about where you're at, Jeremy, and then have them dig from here on. Have them pull the gravel back and then dig us a trenching spot to here, about right here. And
see the low volt wires right here?
Yep,
they're up there.
They're already pulled because they had to be pulled in for the sheetrock to cover it up.
Yeah. So they're coming all the way here.
Correct.
And then,
yep, and you got a drain line right here. So wherever you just feel uncomfortable, let them do what they need to do. You got, like I said, you got 4 dudes coming. So Dalton will be here in a minute.
Yeah, pipe wire.
You want to sleeve the whole thing?
We got to
one
sleeve
of them,
something.
yeah.
One of the others got to be sleeved. Even though it's direct burial, I still feel you'll catch some
residual.
Correct. I think it would probably be easier to sleeve the low volt.
Probably.
Yeah. But even if you don't have to put it together, you know what I'm saying? Like as long as you can get it
kind of short it.
Sleeve. Yes. The goal is to prevent as much as possible. I've had a couple guys pick this up and set it on top of that, and I come right down through here. About right here, Tanner.
Yep.
Have them start hand digging. You can make the turn if you want to. Go ahead and have you turn. I assume that power is just looped around. You know what I'm saying?
Was it? Oh, yeah.
Here, and you should be able to hand dig about, you know, say right here. Stop your ditch there. Have them hand dig to this. Okay?
What are you saying? Hand dig right here, 8 feet. I'm not...
Why?
Like, yeah.
Because that fiber goes through here.
Okay. All right.
And it's a $10,000 fix.
Okay.
I don't want to fix it. And I was telling Jeremy, come up here. I'll try to stay, I'll assume that water's right here. So they're going to hand dig this path and just hug this tree line. Bring that thing right, just flow it right down through here. Yeah, they've got, this is a path that they're making right here.
Okay.
But if I know,
You said water?
no.
Oh.
I think water comes this way, bro. Yeah.
Yep.
Water's here. Huh? There's 7 runs of that low volt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Point out the face of the box.
1 inch. I think 1 inch is big enough.
Are you wanting us to get the pipe into this box and get all them fish down in the whole way?
Is there 90 out?
Oh, I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, because it goes in there and it goes up over the ceiling and into a closet rack. You can kind of see where we're at. That drain's right there. It comes from here to there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this way and probably hug this right here. Hand dig from here to there and be mindful that wire is in this dirt.
Okay.
Somewhere. Okay?
Oh, that little black wire?
The little black wire.
Okay.
If you break it, it's $10,000 to fix it. I need you to understand that. So, hand dig, nice and scrape this out until you find it. It should come right here and run the edge of the gravel. Hand dig from there, up the bank. Cable comes through there though.
So we gotta watch for that little black wire everywhere.
That's the problem.
Everywhere.
Yes, because they didn't locate it.
That son of a gun wasn't slinging no mattock, whatever you gonna call this thing.
Oh yeah. It honestly looks like it's literally trying to go right around us. Say that now.
Let me bust that up.
Don't need a gym today, do you there, Lane?
Huh?
I don't need the gym today, do you?
Nah.
Found it! They're pulling this wire up. I think we're going to be able to pull that wire out and trench all the way to the house instead of hand digging in there out over there. See where they're at? Yeah. It ain't but like 2 or 3 inches deep.
Yeah, that's... What is that?
Fiber. I don't think I'd be able to put that in the ground.
That's because you weren't here. I was mentioning you. You know, I was looking for you, and then that trencher just ate right in that pipe. That's what happened.
And obviously bathroom here.
Bedroom here.
Yep. It's not technically going to be a bedroom. There's no room for a closet, but yes. Yeah. I put a bed in there.
I wonder if that's for a smoke detector feature.
And there's a chase in this wall, he said, beside these trusses that goes all the way to the basement. You got an unfinished basement.
Throw the panels out.
I'm assuming.
Okay.
I'm assuming.
Yeah, what you want to do, or if they want to put the bed there, we can put TV stuff over here, or put TV stuff here. It really don't matter. I mean, sky's the limit.
Mm-hmm. So you would pull a new circuits for this? You wouldn't pull off of anything that they have?
Well, you can, right? So we need a smoke detector, and
Mm-hmm.
I think that's probably looks like a 14-3 wire.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that's because you had to have one up here with the floor.
Yeah, yeah.
Lighting, I could probably get away with the lighting circuit that's here. I just don't know what it's on outside of here. You know what I'm saying? That's the only concern is because it looks like whatever this comes to, looks like it might be hitting that receptacle over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you going to do here?
So I've got to have a 30-inch clearance there to service the unit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put a wall there. And they want me to kind of draw up, kind of the same thing, just draw something up with a show. I think he's going to get the paperwork for you. I think I've got to have a 18-inch clearance all the way around. I'm going to build a wall and basically put shelving on this side, shelving on that side.
Okay.
Pretty simple, but this is the alternative oil here.
Yeah, I mean, unless he wants to cut sheetrock.
It would be better if he could.
Now, where he's got this pipe, we could cut, you know, where it comes to upstairs, cut us a stud to stud, and then at the ceiling, a stud to stud, and get our holes coming through, and we can put it back in the wall and then screw that sheetrock back. You just patch and repaint. It just depends on what that paint would look like. You know what I'm saying? If you can get that paint. So there's options there. You just tell me what you want to do. I'll do whichever. I mean, I don't have no problem drilling down and drilling up.
Yeah. But I need to let you know that sooner than later. Is that going to affect your price? I would prefer. Let me put it this way.
How about I'll just put enough in for either popping the outside or putting a sleeve in.
I definitely don't want to pop outside.
I know you don't.
Yeah.
I don't.
So if
I don't want to run a pipe upside the house. It's going to be a big gray pipe like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And you're going to have an LB and an LB going back into the house.
I've got 2 circuits right here. I think see if you'll run over.
It makes sense for another panel because if you got data wires, right?
No, I'm gonna say 2.
I think it's 3.
Alright, let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Did that kill any of them?
Yeah, back in here.
All of them?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to have one.
They're all 3 off that I thought were is. Is there more? Hang
I
on.
got one on top.
Hang on.
Alright.
Check. I've got one breaker off. See if any of them's not hot that were hot. Are they all still hot?
I ain't got nothing. That ain't got nothing, I don't think.
Alright. What about that one?
Well, I can see.
Alright. What about that one? So they're all still hot.
I've got one that's still hot right now.
So some of them's off.
Yeah, some of them's off. But that's one that's hot.
Refrigerated bread table.
Number 8.
Drop cord outlet.
14.
Worktop freezer.
20.
Drop cord outlet.
26.
Refrigerated work table.
So 32.
Drop cord outlet.
38.
Drop cord outlet.
You gonna do this side?
No, we didn't do any of the hot.
Yeah. 27. Really?
Is that the only one over there?
Yeah. Here, hang on. Ready, Jake?
Go ahead.
Still hot?
Still hot.
Still hot?
Still hot.
Hot?
Hot.
Hot?
Hot.
Hot?
Yep.
Hot?
Yep.
Hot?
Yep.
Oh, now you're pissing me off. What was that? Timer set. Here's the start of your next pile of wire.
Awesome.